How you doing? How you mind if I make a video of these guys? Oh, it's a little Pooches. Hi. Woo-wee.
I only have these two.
Look at this one. Hi.
Normally they're gone last time.
What kind are they?
They're Hound Dog and Pitbull.
Hound Dog and Pitbull.
Bye guys, thank you.
That one's going to be like red nose, blue eyes.
I'm a little Pooch.
They're $20. That one's blue, the other ones are green.
Huh? $20? How come you guys not home yet? Huh?
Well, we had 12.
12.
A litter, 1 litter of 12?
Yeah. 6 boys, 6 girls.
You're kidding me.
It's time for them to find a home.
Wow. Hey, those are nice looking Pooches. Huh?
They are
You a
sweet.
pretty Pooch?
And they're
lovable.
spoiled. They're used to being inside.
Yeah.
I'm a pretty
I let
Pooch.
them outside in the morning. They just sit by the dryer vent. Even if it was 50 degrees.
Yeah.
It's like they weren't dogs.
Hey, little puppies. They kind of look like Chihuahuas.
We have Chihuahuas. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's just because they're only like
Little tiny
they're
guys.
barely 8 weeks, but
Woo.
they'll be 40, 50 pounds.
Oh, I'm a Pooch. Goodbye, Pooch.